Good morning and welcome to the first day of school. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys because my toddler lunch ideas video, which I will link down below, is one of my most popular videos, yet I have not filmed an update to it in like a year. So this is a long time coming and I apologize for the delay. But it's a new school year, new lunches. I'm excited to share and I am excited to share them all with you guys. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 6 kosher lunches with you guys. They are meat-free and totally kosher, so I hope they'll give you guys some inspiration for the start of the school year. And this video is also a collab with one of my very dear friends on Instagram, Ariel. She is also a lovely, lovely Jewish mom. She lives in Brooklyn with her 2 little girls who are the exact same ages as my 2 little boys. So we have become fast friends over the internet and now in real life. And I want to share with you guys all about her and her lunches and me and my lunches. So before we just jump in, I just want to tell you real quick that we are actually both using, this is one of the reasons we bonded, this lunchbox. I will link it below. It's the Bentgo Kids. And it comes in compartments, which will really help when you're thinking about lunch to figure out what you need, like a protein, a carb, a fruit, etc. So we have had ours. You can tell it's a little beat up. We've had it for, I think, almost 3 years at this point, 2.5 years. So yeah, we've had this a really long time. It's been great, dishwasher safe, etc. So yeah, just wanted to recommend that really quick. We'll link it below. I will also link Ariel's vlog and Instagram in the description box below, so definitely check it out because she will have a whole post with lots more information about the lunches and everything we're going to talk about. So let's jump in. I'm going to introduce you guys to Ariel right now.
Hi everyone, my name is Ariel and I am a mother of 2 and the founder and blogger behind arielloves.com. I blog about motherhood, travel, home decor, and everything in between. I am so excited to share a few easy toddler-approved lunches with you today. My older daughter, Adina, is about to turn 3 and she just went back to school. We have to get creative with her lunches because the school she goes to is kosher and we're not able to send any meat. So I've come up with a few creative lunch ideas and I hope that you guys love them. You can keep up with my adventures with my girls on my Instagram, which is @ariel.loves, or over on my blog, which is arielloves.com. I hope you get some great ideas for your lunches from this video and thank you guys for watching. For the first lunch, I have some hard-boiled eggs, cheddar bunnies, a cheese stick, blueberries, cherry tomatoes, and some almonds. Adina absolutely loves hard-boiled eggs and would eat a whole carton of them if she could. And I always try to switch up the fruits and veggies and the snacks just so she doesn't get bored and is likely to eat a little bit of everything. So for lunch number 2, we have peanut butter and jelly bites, some pretzel crisps, a yogurt pouch, sliced apples, some steamed broccoli, and these dehydrated strawberries. Adina totally loves these. She has eaten a bag at one time, which is kind of crazy, so I'll only give her a few of those. But this is like a fun spin, a little bit different than just your traditional sandwich. And these yogurt pouches are super easy, both to pack and to clean up for her. For our third lunch, we have tricolor cheese tortellinis. Again, one of Adina's favorites, and I know that she will like these. I usually make them for dinner, so it's just an easy thing to send as a leftover, and she'll eat them cold, even if she had them warm the night before. Then we also have some wheat thin crackers, a chocolate banana granola bar. She'll definitely love that. Some strawberry slices, a few cucumber slices, and some hummus that she can dip them in. The hummus does get a little bit messy, but I try to keep it contained just like in this container here. Probably a good chance that she'll finish almost everything.
So today is the very first day of school for Max. We're very excited around here, and I've packed him only his favorite foods this morning because I want to make sure he has a really positive start for the school year. So we are doing these flat pretzels is what he calls them. They're everything flavored. He loves them. And then I also put some cheese in. He actually doesn't like cheese and doesn't really eat cheese, but I wanted to put something new and different, hoping that maybe a different environment will help him try that and hopefully like it. And then the rest of the food he does love. These are little, bless you, Corey. Then we have little tangerine slices, cucumber slices, These are apple chips, they're sweet. And this is a protein bar, just cut up. I know he loves these, and they're packed with good nutrients and high in calories. So even though I prefer to kind of wean off these a little bit, they're sort of just a little like safety snack for the first day. And then because it's the first day, put in a little treat. Those are just some gummies. They're little fruit snacks. And that is Max's first day of school lunch. Okay, so for today's lunch, we have colorful pasta. This is my son's absolute favorite pasta dish. I just put a little bit of butter and salt on it. We get it from Target. Then I put some watermelon, his favorite fruit, and we had some eggs left over from breakfast, some scrambled eggs, so I put those in there. And then I put in a little bit of a cookie bar. I'll show you guys the brand in case you're interested. It is this Larabar Kid. He seems to like it. It's chocolate chip flavored. So, yep, that's what I put in there. Just want to say, for all the moms with picky kids out there, I get it. We made scrambled eggs, pancakes, and cereal this morning, and yeah, no one was a fan, but that's okay. What about you, Corey? And this little baby's got a toy in his bib. Yeah, what are you doing? Hey, good morning. Good morning, Rocky. Rocky will eat anything, won't you, Rock? Yep. Corey's having a little banana for breakfast. Yeah. All right, let's go to school. Okay, so for today's lunch, our main dish is pasta. This is the ditalini pasta. It's one of my son's favorite, and I just put a little bit of margarine with it. And then over here, I've got apple slices. In here, I've got cut up little peppers. I did orange and red. And then this is a banana chocolate chip muffin that has Bubby baked. So I put one of those in there. And then in here for the special treat, I just have, again, little pieces of the cookie bar. So I know he loves apples and muffins, and the pepper is one of the vegetables he likes to eat, so I'm hoping he'll try some of those. And the pasta, I know he likes it at home. I'm not sure if he'll like it at school as much, but we shall see. Oh, he likes pasta. Okay, good. So that is it. Those are our back to school lunches. I hope that you guys found them helpful if you're looking for kosher and meat-free ideas, especially if you have picky kids like I do. And I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful back to school season. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.